Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Diana, and today we are going to be making a DIY Christmas gift. Now, you can call this video inspo, you can call this video examples of, you can call this video whatever you want to do, but this is a heartfelt Christmas DIY gift basket that I'm bringing to you all. Now, the reason why I love this gift idea is because it's personalized. It's because you know what your friends, your family, your colleagues like, and when somebody gets a gift like this, not only is it like lovely, it's custom and you actually made it, with your own hands. And I just find that so special and just so heartfelt. And if I were to be receiving something like this, I would honestly, guys, I would think I would get emotional because of the excitement and just the thought, it's a thought that counts. So I wanted to bring you this example of this video because there's different kind of things that you can put in the gift box. Remember, it's what they like, it's what you like, and it's really budget friendly. Like, let's say you want to get like a mini Jo Malone candle, which is $50 versus like a Bed Bath & Beyond candle, which is like $15. You can swap it out, make it your own if you want high end, if you want budget friendly. And I'm definitely going to show you examples of this video of where I get my materials, because it's something different with the gifts, but it's something different like when you're adding like drape paper, when you're adding like fake little snowflakes in there, when you're adding Christmas stickers. That is really mostly what this video is about. Not only inspo, but also what you can put in the box, what is affordable, and all this stuff. Like, honestly, for like the materials, it's very inexpensive. I think the most expensive thing I would say, honestly, is just buying the miniature gifts. I would definitely say go miniature. Like, let's say you want like a liquor bottle, instead of getting like a really big one, just get like 2 or 3 miniature ones, samples, things like that, that you can like fill this lovely DIY gift basket, gift box idea. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next week with a brand new video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see something more DIY, or you want food, or you want like vlog, or you want me to talk more. But let's get to the video. And now we're going to Joann, which is my favorite craft store. I'm literally gonna be getting their Christmassy vibed boxes because I just feel like they're more sturdy and they're more heavy duty. And I want to pack things in there. So these are the boxes to go. Once I'm out of Joann, I'm heading to the dollar store. As you see here, my favorite type of Christmassy things are in here. Yes, y'all, the dollar store. Look at all these treat bags and look at all these like little knickknacks and things that we can definitely use in our beautiful gift box. Now that we have our supplies, we are going back home and just placing everything on top of the table to see what is going to go where. And now at this stage, I would definitely say, choose who you're going to give the things to that that they're going to like and that they're going to use. Now, these are the boxes that I bought at Joann, as you saw at the beginning of the video. And now we're just going to be opening the box. People actually forget this, but make sure you open the box. Take out any little thing that you have in there, make sure that the stickers, inside are, gone, that, maybe you clean them a little bit just in case if there's any dust or anything like that. Now, I have this very simple trick. Sometimes, the stickers are a hassle to get off behind the box. And what I like to do is with a Sharpie, I literally just, kind of do a little swipe with that Sharpie where the price is, because sometimes, guys, these stickers, you can do whatever you want to them. They will not leave the box. So we just want to make sure we have everything ready to set, to just make the gift boxes and everything else. As you see here, I actually have 2 sizes, a big one for the family and then smaller ones for the individual. What I have right here is a glittered drape tissue. Now, I bought 2 bags of these. They are literally, I would say, like a long cottony, glittery kind of blankie, I would say. Something kind of like that. Like you see here, I'm just literally, folding it outside. And what I'm doing is just literally placing them on top of the boxes because, I don't have a ruler. And I don't want to make this super like perfect. It's rustic. It's from the heart. Y'all know what I mean. But this is a way that I thought it would be easiest for me to kind of get the measurements just by placing it on top of the boxes and cutting it as you see. I'm going to be cutting from this, obviously, for the 3 big boxes. And that's literally it. Now, the only thing that we need to do is literally unfold this glittery kind of paper and, it doesn't have to be perfect like you see in the video. I'm literally just putting it inside the box, fluffing it up from the outside in and just making sure that every single little nook and cranny is filled with that beautiful glittery drape paper. You might notice that if you are using smaller boxes like this one, obviously there's going to be a little bit more of that drape paper. So your actual box is going to be just a tiny bit more fluffier, and that is perfectly okay. The fluffier, the prettier, and I would even say if you want a little bit more cushion, then definitely just get another bag and just make it a little bit more fluffy like you see in the video. Like you see, I literally had to cut this in half because the paper was just way too big for the box, and that's perfectly fine. What I'll do is I'll use that extra paper, just to place it on the bigger box, and you've got yourself, a resolution right there. There's no need to waste. So I know that everybody from my family, they love candy canes. My friends love candy canes, and I found these amazing little candy cane spoons, which I will be putting in each and every single box. As you see right there, there is another item that we need, and that is treat bags. I got the treat bags actually from the dollar store. I love these. Obviously they're $1, inexpensive, but they are just super cute, and the quality, guys, is just amazing. Like, people always knock the dollar store. Why you gotta knock the dollar store? I think it has some great things. I'm not a fan of getting food, but obviously just, little knickknacks here and there. They're cute, they're sweet, and they're $1. So why not? You can even put these amazing spoon candy canes in the treat bags, twist them up with whatever you have available. I know in this treat bag, unfortunately, they didn't have those little twisties, so you can just wrap them. So what I got was a jute rope ribbon from Joann, and you'll see later on in the video how I use it and how I cut it. Definitely recommend that as well. My family and friends, we love incense, and this is a little perfect gift that I'm going to put in those treat bags. I'm going to be doing the 12 days of Christmas, so I'm definitely going to be putting 12 incense sticks for each and every single one of these boxes and treat bags. This is just a really nice little gift because I know that they will all use it. And this actual spice is a Christmas inspired incense, which has ginger, clove, cinnamon, anise, and all that in a beautiful incense just to make your home very nice, cozy. This is just one of those perfect scents for this holiday. Like I said before, this is just an example of what I'm giving to my family and friends, but remember, guys, that you can make this your own. If you want to add, mini little candies, if you want to add little handwritten notes in there, if you want to add, certain little jewelry pieces in here, you can definitely go ahead and do that and make it your own. Now I'm going to be using the jute rope ribbon that I actually got at Hobby Lobby. You can also find this at Michael's and also at Joann. And it's pretty much what I'm going to use to twist my treat bags, because obviously these treat bags from the dollar store, they didn't bring the twisties, so I'm going to be using these just to secure everything. And not only that, but they're really pretty. You're definitely going to find this in the floral section of where you purchase this. Like you see, we're literally just twisting everything. making sure that everything is nice and tucked in. And look how beautiful this little gift is. This is literally one of my favorite things. Even I would love to get this as, you know, the person that is receiving a gift. It's just really beautifully presented, very minimalistic, and there's really nothing hard about it. That's what I love about this. Now we're going to start making the individual boxes for each individual person, and then we're going to head on and go to the bigger boxes for the family units. What we're going to be doing now is using the long side to just put everything together. Long side the better. Like you see, we're placing the lid, and now we're going to be placing the coffee mugs. Now remember guys, the drape paper, as you see, this is going to be a great kind of like stabilization. Everything is just going to fit better, and you won't have to worry about things falling down because you can tuck everything inside of that drape paper, as well as the snowflakes that I will be showing you very soon. Let's add our Godiva chocolate, our candy canes, spoon candy canes for that mug, and also a little bit of Viking, yes guys, Viking Icelandic vodka for my friend that I consider her one of the best mixologists ever. And now we're going to be adding some beautiful metaphysical energy crystals because I know she loves those types of things. And we're going to do the final touches by adding these decorative, amazing little stickers that I am obsessed with. Literally, you just take them off, pop them on wherever you like, and this just adds something just so special and just so unique, I feel, that I definitely think that you should do. I actually got these at the dollar store as well. Like I said, little knickknacks here and there are totally worth it. And let me just repeat it for another box so you guys can see this. And the last thing that we will be doing is adding fox snow, fake snow that I got at the dollar store. Like you see right here, we're just adding that inside the nooks and crannies of the boxes. And this is the individualized boxes. Look how beautiful they are, personalized, and I just had so much fun making these types of gifts. I really love receiving this. I love giving them out. And now let's begin by doing our family style boxes. As these boxes are a bit on the bigger side, we're going to be using the crinkly style festive paper decorative gift filler. Now, what I love about these is that not only are they inexpensive, but they are a great way to add a little bit more things inside of the box without it, moving around or falling down. Another thing that I recommend, if you are doing 3 big boxes like I am, I would definitely recommend buying 3 bags of this crinkly style festive paper. There's numerous colors, but the ones that they had available right then and there were this beige color, and like you see, the lid is going down. I'm purposely doing that so I can fill in the spaces by the back all the way down on the bottom. Remember that this is going to act as a stabilizer for the products that we will be adding inside of the box. This is another example of the things that I have placed inside of this box. I know they love candles. I know they love baking. They love incense. So I'll be adding all these little touches in here just to make it that extra special. We obviously have the candy canes. And like you see, we also have the Godiva on the back. So anything that doesn't fit in the front, just go ahead and, nook it in, kind of place it, in the back of where that beautiful lid is. Now you'll see that I'll be turning it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There's the mug behind, there's the chocolates, and like I said, make it your own. You guys know what your family and friends love, and this is just so special. Like you see, I put also the decorative Christmassy stickers on, the whole pack of incense just to make it a little bit more Christmassy. Now I'm on to my second family style Christmassy box. Like you see, we're doing the same thing again. We're adding that beautiful gift crinkly paper filling gift paper. I don't know how many times I said that, but you guys know what I mean. And we're literally just, turning it around like you see, and we're adding in the back of that gift box, placing the lid a little bit tilted so we can get, down in those nooks and crannies, and we can add this for more stabilization. And I'm going to leave you to the rest of the video so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I'm doing and what's popping here. Now for the decorative stickers, once again, like you see, I'm just going to place them on top of that beautiful candle. Wherever you feel the need to put that little extra touch and extra love, go ahead and do that. Now, this is just an example. I mean, if you know your friends are foodies and they have tried something that you love dearly, go ahead and do it. Like right here, we have the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. I know they don't go to Trader Joe's, but I know they've heard about it and they know that I love it. So pretty much this is going in their family style box so they can give it a try with bagels and sandwiches and just, so much more. The same thing with the baking goods. I know my friend, she loves to bake and she loves to decorate, and she's really about like those tea party things. And this is just a really great things just to add to her collection, to actually use and to actually decorate and take pictures. I also bought some other stuff from Trader Joe's, like facial scrubs and stuff like that. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. Your friends, what they love, your family members, so add it to the box. The more the merrier. And right here we have some incense again, the beautiful Godiva chocolate, the candy canes. What is not to love? I'm just gonna turn around the box so you guys can see that if you do want to put a little bit more things, there is always space in the back. The more the merrier. And these are my finished boxes for the family unit, for the couple unit, for the personalized, just one person, beautiful heartfelt gifts. Like I said, guys, have fun with these. I had such a pleasure making them, and I hope my friends and family love them. And there is my little snow, little winter wonderland, I would say. I just love it when they see it, and you have the snow, you have all those beautiful elements that make this just such a heartfelt DIY gift. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you next week. Ciao.